Josie here from Finest Laya. We finally arrived here in Vegan. We are here at the center of the city, the old city. Behind me is the church, and onto my left are the old Spanish buildings still preserved. They are converted into different businesses.
Before you get too far north in it, and you get too late,
In front of me, heritage homes. Still preserved. This house here still standing, but has seen better days. Some of these houses are preserved, some are not, like this one here. Back in the day, this would have been a mansion. Look at the windows. The windows are made from the seashells. Sadly, it has not been maintained. Have the seashells capiz windows intact. And over there, look at all these big houses. Looks like this one here is rented for a school. Look at this. Yende we have a souvenir shop. Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful. Reserved building. Look at this house here. Big houses. Some of them are converted into hotels. Vegan City, Ilocos Sur, Philippines. Gordon Hotel. La Casa de Leon.
go down here?
Yeah. Cordillera Inn. Right here in front of me is a calesa. You can hire one of these calesas to take you around the city for. That's why we should probably. I wonder if they have food over here.
here we are in Vegan, Illico Sur, and Josie's going to Starbucks.
Two sorbeteros. Says they're Vange's ice cream. We're buying empanada from Vegan. Kaluto today, Toy.